Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the top 5 AI coins you should be researching right now, because right now is the time to be doing that. The markets are down. It's a little bit boring in the AI sector because some of the coins have been retracing, but we are looking ahead into a new AI hype wave, and by the time that happens, you should be in your favorite AI coins, because otherwise you're going to miss out. Now, right now we are in the AI category on CoinMarketCap, and you can see the top 1 project is going to be Near Protocol. We're going to be taking a look at the mid-cap projects from 300 million down to around $25 million. But if you want the super low cap gem coins below $10 million, make sure to check out my Patreon. The link is down below in the description. We cover low cap gems there on a constant basis, ranging from gaming coins all the way to RWA and AI. Without further ado, let's jump into the first project, and this one is called Nosana. It's sitting at a $240 million market cap. The market cap on CoinMarketCap is incorrect, which is a typical thing because it gets a lot of data wrong. But essentially, the circulating supply is double of what it is over here. Now, the price action chart is looking incredibly well. It has seen a massive pump from October 2023, but the market cap is still relatively low. I think this can easily do a 7 to 10x. It's already listed on Gate.io, MEXC, and Kraken, but we don't have any tier 1 exchanges like Coinbase, Binance. We don't even have Bybit. So I think there's a lot of potential with this coin, and they're in a niche that is going to have a lot of demand and currently has a lot of demand, and that is the GPU distribution. So they're offering affordable GPU rental for AI inference at scale at a 6x discount on costs, and you're able to scale your AI workloads effortlessly because of that. So essentially, they're cheaper than the other projects, which is what they're trying to tell us. So they've got their marketplace where you can trade GPU, and you can access a global GPU network for your AI inference jobs at unbeatable prices. And as you know, right now there's a lot of demand for GPU, and these projects are trying to get the unused GPU from people around the world and for them to start trading it, which means that all of the GPU that's not being used will not go to waste. So this is a huge sector, and these guys have $83.7 million in value staked. Out of all of the holders, we have 14.3 thousand holders that are staking. So a lot of the coins are staked once this project gets to the AI hype wave, especially considering the fact that this is on Solana. I think Nosana can go up and go up very quickly. So that's going to be it for Nosana. Make sure to check these guys out. Next up, we have PALMAI. This project is being mentioned by Alex Becker all the time, which gives it a lot more credibility because Alex Becker is one of the biggest YouTubers out there, and any coin that he mentions or even thinks about gets a pump. And PALMAI is his number 2 pick in terms of the AI narrative. Their entire supply is out in circulation, which is really good. We're not going to have a bunch of new tokens dumped into the circulation, and the price action chart is more or less in a sideways channel. Now, these guys are listed on MEXC and Gate.io and XT.com. So not a lot of centralized exchange listings. Again, once we have more listings, that will bring more eyes and attention onto the project, which means there will be more price action. Now, if we go to the website, these guys are powered by Google, which is very important. Whenever you see a project backed by Google, Amazon, Microsoft, that immediately means that it has a lot more potential to go to the upside, because if the big guys see some potential value in the project, that's saying something. So there are multi-platformed second-generation AI solutions that utilize the latest developments in AI. We focus on product adoption, innovation, and revenue sharing. So they're trying to delve into multiple sectors just so they can be an infrastructure project. So they're a project that helps other projects build. And it's always better to invest into infrastructure projects rather than into a project that does one specific thing or is building on top of a different thing. So they're offering utility, innovation, and revenue. So these are their utility showcases. So you have the hardware, on-chain Oracle, and Island minigame app. So they already have a minigame that you can look into. So feel free to research this project. I'm not a financial advisor, but I do own PALMAI and I do own Nosana. And before we continue with the video, I wanted to give a quick shout out to Clarity. I recently partnered up with them. They're a great audio software project that wants to dive into the Web3 space. So if you're into audio editing and if you're into meme coins, because they do have a meme coin, you can check them out. I'm going to leave a link down below in the description. I also gave them a shout out on Twitter, so make sure to check out their products and their Twitter page. Now let's get on with the video. Now, the third project that we're going to be looking at is Destra Network, and this is actually the #1 project according to Alex Becker in the AI category. So not only Alex Becker, but Crypto God John on Twitter is also pushing hard for Destra. And as of, I think yesterday, this is his #1 holding as well. Now, this one is a bit of a higher mid-cap coin. It's sitting at a $340 million market cap, but I think this still has a lot of potential. It doesn't have a lot of listings. So Binance is talking about this coin, which means they're eyeing this for a future potential listing. And once we have a Bybit, Binance, potentially Coinbase listings, this could easily get to a $3 to $4 billion market cap, in my opinion. And again, the entire supply, or 97% of the total supply, is out in circulation. That's why I'm trying to pick coins that have really good tokenomics. Because if you're picking a project that has 5 to 10% of the total supply out in circulation, there is a big chance that the VCs, the early investors, are going to be dumping on you and they're going to be pushing the price down. So the selling pressure does affect the price a lot. And now we're sitting at a really good buying price. It has been trading for a little more than 9 months, I believe, but I think this has a lot of potential to the upside. And again, they're in the GPU distribution sector, empowering the next gen AI with decentralized computing. Destra Network pioneers true decentralized computing solutions for the emerging AI economy. Our comprehensive suite of offerings is designed to immerse Web3 enthusiasts in authentic decentralized AI, leveraging the robust Destra GPU network and cloud services. So they also provide cloud services. You can train your AI or AI agents, essentially. Let's scroll a little bit lower here. So what is this? Destra nodes. So they have 2.4 thousand nodes that are live. Web hosting. Their team is KYC'd or doxed. And they're partnered up with Lighthouse, Assure DeFi, Hacken, Filecoin, Arbitrum, and Anchor. Those are big names in the space. So make sure to check this project out. Again, I own this project. Full disclosure, one of my biggest bags is Destra. Moving over to the next coin, this is GPT, not GTP, GPT, and it's sitting at a $26.5 million market cap. So this one could be considered a low cap gem. The tokenomics are 67% of the total supply out in circulation, so not as good as the other projects, but still, this is pretty good tokenomics. And you also have to verify with websites like cryptorank.io that have better and up-to-date data, because this could also be outdated. If we go to the markets, this is listed on BitGet, Mexigate.io, BingX. That's in terms of the centralized exchanges. In terms of Dexus, we have PancakeSwap. So we have a similar situation with this project as with the others. We don't have a lot of major centralized exchange listings. And that's another criteria that I'm looking at when I'm picking these AI coins. Good tokenomics and not a lot of major exchange listings. The less listings, the better, because once you have more listings, and the more listings you have, the higher chances of hitting those, market caps of $500 million to $1 billion to $2 billion. They are available on the Binance chain. Let's go to their website. This is also a marketplace for AI Web3 services, a marketplace for all AI solutions and seamless SDK where you can access integrated AI solutions. Backed by Microsoft, Google startups, BNB, and TON. Again, big names behind the projects. That immediately attracts me and makes me want to buy into the project, because why would I buy into something that doesn't have Google backing it when I have a project at a similar market cap with Google backing it? This is just a no-brainer. So they've got their marketplace for AI solutions. You can access all of the AI APIs in one single account, one-click minting for hassle-free NFT creation, and AI-based advertisement model. So they're going into marketing as well here. I like when projects try to, dive into multiple sectors, because if they're only focused on one thing, if that one thing fails, that means the project has failed. But they have a staking program as well as decentralized autonomous organization voting, DAO voting. The team has been audited by Hazeeq, and these are some of the utilities of the HGPT token. They have a credit model that uses the token. You can access premium features, you can use it as payment, and you can access exclusive content using the HGPT token. So that's the breakdown for HGPT. We're not going to dive too deep into all of these projects because it's going to take a long time. So the last one is going to be Node AI, and this project decentralizes AI nodes. And once again, the circulating supply is at 95%, another project with really good tokenomics. However, the market cap here is slightly higher than $100 million, but I think this still has the potential to do a 10 to 20x easily. If we go to the markets, you can see we're only listed on MEXC, BingX, LBank, and in terms of Dexus, we have Uniswap. So it checks out all of the major criteria that I have for picking an AI project. And if we go to their website looks amazing, by the way. Powering demand for the next generation AI. Harness the power of decentralized AI with Node AI. You can deploy your nodes in minutes. Our platform is where complexity meets simplicity. Essentially, they're making it very easy to create applications using their AI services and to deploy nodes. And their infrastructure providers are NVIDIA and AMD, obviously big names in the space. Instantly launch projects using our extensive range of templates, including one-click applications. Forget the hassle of research, configuration, and manual setup. Let us take care of everything for you. And corporations, huge companies, and the governments are going to want to implement these projects, because the easier and the cheaper it is, and the more secure it is, the better it is for those major entities. So they're going to be looking at projects like Node AI. You can select a GPU node and deploy with just one click. Bypass the complexities of server management and streamline your project setup effortlessly. So make sure to check out this project. If we keep going down here, you can host a node very easily. They're comparing their prices with Amazon Web Services. You can deploy in minutes, affordable computing, and pay-as-you-go pricing. Get real-time pricing and availability for your workloads. Pay only for what you use, not for what you're not using, without any hidden fees, which I like a lot. So the website is actually pretty detailed. This is going to be the last project for our list. Let me know if I missed out any other AI coins that you think should have been on the list. Like I said, we tried to mention the ones that are mid-cap range, but if you want the super low cap ones below $10 million, make sure to check out our Patreon, or feel free to go through the AI category yourself and start researching and start applying those criteria that I mentioned, because you could find some low caps that even I haven't discovered or Alex Becker hasn't discovered yet. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe and goodbye.